Good day everyone! Today we will learn how to set up and use Projector for seamless presentations. First, let us understand what a projector is. A projector is a device that takes video signals from a computer and projects the image onto a large surface such as wall or screen. It's commonly used for presentations, meetings, classrooms, and entertainment purposes. Let's first familiarize ourselves with the key parts of a projector. The lens. It projects the image onto a screen or a wall. The control panel. It contains buttons for power, input selection, and menu navigation. The air vent. It prevents overheating by allowing airflow. The input ports. It includes HDMI, VGA, USB, and audio ports for connecting devices. The power cord port. It is where the power cable is connected. Before we start, ensure that you have these essential components ready. The projector. This includes the projector unit itself and its power cable. The laptop, the source device of your presentation and content. The connection cables, such as HDMI cable. The user manual, the guide specific to your projector model that provides instruction and troubleshooting tips. And last, the electric socket or source. Place the projector onto a stable and flat surface. Connect the power cable to the power cord port and plug it into a socket. Make sure to refer to the user manual for any specific setup requirement unique to your projector model. Determine the appropriate cable based on the projector and laptop ports. In this video, we will use the HDMI cable. Connect one end to the laptop port and the other end to the corresponding projector input port. Power on the projector using the power button. To test the setup, open a presentation on the laptop. Press the F5 key to present the slideshow. Then, check the projection quality. Adjust the necessary settings such as the horizontal and the vertical keystones. And there you have it. That's how you set up and use a projector. You can now deliver flawless presentation every time. Thank you for watching.